Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to add some new air mechanics to our player. As you can see right now, he moves as much in the air as it moves on the ground, and we don't want that. We want him to move a lot less when he's on the air to make it less mobile, just a bit at least. And let's do it. Now, first off, we're going to have to create a variable, a float variable called speed. And here in our input codes, we're going to create a ternary operator. Okay, so let me try to explain this to you. The ternary operator is kind of a condensed if clause, and it works something like this. So basically, this operator will define this variable, the speed variable that we just created, to be something or another thing according to what this parameter here is. So if is grounded equals to true, and after this interrogation sign we can make that. So if is grounded equals to true, then speed will be equal to speed force. But now we type here the false code. But if is grounded equals to false, then speed will be equal to speed force times 0.78, I don't know, something. And in this rigidbody.2d velocity right here, change the speed force to speed, and copy this code to the input key code D2 and do the same thing. Now hopefully this will be working correctly. Let's see. So if our player is on the ground, it moves like it moved before, but when it goes to the air, it moves a little bit slower. Okay, so another thing that I want to do is to make our player not stop when he's on the air. So right now, when he's on the air and we are not pressing the D or the A key, our player stops, simply stops, and doesn't move anymore. And we want to make it slowly stop, not just like boom, stop. And to do that, we're going to have to do two things. First off, go to mono develop and go to where it says where this else is. So this is the part that of the code that makes our player stop, and we don't want our player to stop when it's on the air. So let's make this, instead of an else, make it an else if. So else if our player is on the ground, so now only if our player is on the ground this will happen. So play, and now as you can see, if our player is on the air, that doesn't work. But now it moves a lot when he's on the air. It doesn't start stopping. And to change that, just change this linear drag in our rigid body component of our Indian guy. Oops, not the angular, the linear drag. Told this is a lot. Let's see too. Okay, this makes our player stop with the time. And now, as you can see, our player slowly drops. Whee! And that's it what I wanted to show to you guys in this tutorial. Don't forget to change this back to 2, because on play mode nothing saved. And see you in the next tutorial.